So let's look at proper image generation. Obviously, this is inside the tool, so not that good. So let's look at Adobe Firefly, right? The best in the business currently is Mid-Journey. I am not showcasing that because that happens inside of Discord. I don't know how many of you are part of Discord. If you can answer some of these questions, it just helps me. No. Yeah, so majority of the people are not in Discord, so it doesn't make sense. But again, feel free to try it out, right? You don't have to rely on some expert in a masterclass to tell you how to use Mid-Journey, right? Cool. Why do we need date of birth? I'll just put something here, random date of birth, just so I'm in. Okay, done. So this is Adobe Firefly, right? Adobe, you know, all of you know, right? Adobe Photoshop, the best image generation tool. So describe the image you want to explore, Firefly beta. So Firefly is their beta tool for image generation, right? So painting of mountains and trees. You can give examples like this and it will generate images for you. So text to image is what we want to use. So let's see. Some terms and policies, done. Cool. So these are some examples. You can see some examples of what sort of prompts to give. So this is the prompt is high contrast mountains, black and white, wide angle. So let's say an expert delivering a master class on Chat GPT to human resources professionals on Zoom. Let's see what it generates. Slightly meta, but yeah, let's see the sort of image that is generated. So an expert delivering a masterclass on Chat GPT to human resources professionals on a Zoom call. Brilliant, right? And then obviously you can aspect ratio, you can control here type of. So in this case, the default was art, right? Then just imagine this using this sort of an art in your presentations, or even in some creatives that you're creating for your own organization, some sort of employee engagement campaign, etc. But you can also change it to a photo and it will give you something which looks like a regular photo, right? See, now it looks like real humans, right? You can also convert it into a graphic. And it's as simple as clicking a few buttons, right? So art and graphic, obviously, in this case was the same. Now you can see there is a digital art, synthwave, palette knife, layered paper. All of these things are there. Color and tone. Let's say black and white, right? And black and white, and I have chosen graphic. Again, I can switch between graphic and photo, right? So now I've got a black and white. I want a black and white photo, right? Expert delivering a masterclass Chat GPT. The prompt is the same, but I'm changing the format type. Now, I hope now you are getting the concept itself, right? Essentially, every generative AI tool is working on the same concept. Here you can see it in action. This is also very similar to when you go on a Swiggy or Zomato to go for food delivery and you don't exactly know which restaurant you're going to order from, right? Say you are in the mood for Chinese. What do? You start adding filters, right? First of all, you say, obviously, places close to me, right? Rating 4+, cuisine Chinese. That is exactly the same thing that you're doing with your prompts as well. Here, it just so happens that there are buttons to do that. In ChatGPT prompting, you are writing it out in the form of text, right? So hope you now understand the concept. Obviously, this is very, very useful for you if you're looking to, generate images and such. Now you will say, when it comes to putting text on these images, right? So you want to write, say, date, day, topic, etc. That's why I said this is good for generating abstract images, all these image generation tools. But still, Canva is the best bet for you to create posters and such. And Canva has generative AI built into it, right? So don't get, again, try it out. Try out Adobe Firefly, try out for DALL-E you will need to pay for credits. Try out Mid-Journey, try out all of these tools. But at the end of the day, currently, your best bet is Canva to create posters and such. Cool. Please provide a list of such. So you will get the list of AI tools. Don't worry. We'll send it to you. The email ID that you used to register for this masterclass, I'll send you all of this on that email ID.